My company is DiversiTech International, and we are part of a very large group. So our mother and head office is in the States. They're called DiversiTech. So we've got partners all over Europe. We are the market leaders in air source heat pump ancillary products, and we want to look who we are. We're going to the Installer, which is our biggest exhibition of the year. They've done it every year, and every year since I've been here. The first year I did it with them, they had roller banners and self-made plinths. Last year we did shell scheme, and this year I said to them, you are the market leaders, this is your biggest show, we need to go big. Just our presence, our brand recognition, our leads from the show to give the sales rep and the team a space to be proud of and a space to sell our products and to explain our products. So it's important that the sales reps are proud of where they're standing. When people come onto the stand and say, let me see your flexible hoses, it's important that the guys are confident. I love it. I absolutely love it. Looks fantastic. Our banner, our spinning banner, definitely. Our spinning banner, the curtain, everything. I can't wait for the InstallerSHOW now. It's the way I imagined it because I designed it. But when I came across on that thing and looked down, I was just like, wow. Big space, big stand. It was a very long drive, but it was definitely worth it. You see it on your screen, you know the colors, you know your corporate colors, you know your logos, but to actually see it built like this is just so beneficial. When you're drawing things on your computer, it's like that scale, and when you come here and see the magnitude and the colors and it's definitely worth it, definitely. The green aspect of stand build, because last year it was shell schemes. It was all taken down and I don't know what they did with it, burnt. So next year we can reuse bits that we've done and create new bits because it's a bigger stand. So yeah, it's brilliant, brilliant. You guys have done a great job. Thank you. I can't wait till Sunday.